How to find the best-selling products on AliExpress. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find best-selling products on AliExpress. If you want to get best-selling products on AliExpress, you need to follow these steps. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar, you need to type aliexpress.com. This is the official website of AliExpress. If you prefer using application, then you may also use AliExpress application on your mobile device. Now once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of AliExpress. Here, once you reach to this page, you can scroll down to find the product. Or you may also use the search bar at the top and there find the product. Once you have searched for the product, you will be presented with the search results. Here you need to look for the labeled best match from the top. Once you find this best match option, you need to click on it. Once doing that, this will display the products that have been purchased the most. You can use the filters on the left side bar from here to narrow down by choice, price, ratings or the shipping options. Now from here you can click on the individual products to view the details. And once you click on it, here you can check the number of orders, ratings and reviews to check the popularity. After that, you can scroll down and here look for the customer reviews. You can go through these customer reviews to see what people are saying about the products. High ratings and positive feedback usually indicate popular items. So by following the steps, you should be able to find best-selling products on AliExpress effectively. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.